Yaxk Portable Monitor, lowest tracked price. This Yaxk 15.6-inch portable monitor is now rupees 8,326, 67% off. It's the lowest tracked price since May 2026. Strong value for a travel monitor. Prices can change. Get the Panasonic 5.1 channel soundbar for rupees 11,895, 50% off. This is its lowest tracked price since May 2026. Worth checking for home audio. Check current prices. Like and subscribe for more real deals.